Hi everyone! Today we are going to talk about something that might seem like a small details, but that can make a huge difference in how your dance shoes look and feel. We're talking about shoe brushes and how to clean your Suede sole dance shoes. Now, I know what you're thinking. Who is this dude and why is he trying to teach me how to take good care of my Latin dance shoes? Usually it's an attractive girl that showcases beautiful dance shoes in the background. I've got some here. Instead, I'm getting the French dude with his thick French accent, holding dance shoes and shoe brushes right here. But hear me out, because even though I might not look like her, I've got some serious experience when it comes to dancing shoes and Latin dances. Now, you might wonder, how hard can it be to use a shoe brush? Well, let me tell you, if you don't use it correctly, you could end up damaging your shoes and even hurting yourself. Let's get started. So, let's go over some basic tips to make sure you're using your shoe brushes like a pro. So first thing first, hold your shoe brush and remove the cap protector. Cool. As you can see, there's multiple metallic spikes in here. They're not all straight up, but they bend forward towards the wood handle. So, what you will want to do when cleaning your dance shoes is to understand the direction in which you should brush your dance shoes. You want to brush like this. If I press like this, I'm gonna hurt myself. So, let's see how to use the shoe brush. I've got my shoes on my left hand, my brush on my right hand. What we're gonna do is we want to brush the shoe that direction. So you want to go from the heel of the shoes towards the toe of the shoes. You want to go up in a straight line movement. You don't want to go circular, you don't want to go against the grain. You're going to damage the sole if you do so. So what you want to do is you want to go on the way up there. I'm not applying much pressure on it. I'm quite light. So the only thing you have to do is basically just let your brush swipe up on the shoes. That's it. That's what you have to do. You got it. It's important to be mindful of the pressure you're applying when you're brushing your shoes. You don't want to press too hard or you could end up scratching or scruffing your dancing shoes. On the other hand, if you don't apply enough pressure, you might not be able to remove all the dirt on your Suede sole. So find that sweet spot and brush away. Finally, let's see how often you should use your shoe brushes. We recommend you to do a quick brush after each long social dancing or if you went for 2 and 3 hours dance classes. You don't have to brush them for a long time, just make sure you do it consistently. We usually use the shoe brush only to remove the dust that can accumulate on the sole. And last but not least, be aware of your fingers when you're cleaning your dance shoes. This metallic spike can be extremely sharp, so make sure you're not accidentally brushing your fingers instead of your shoes. Trust me, it's a painful lesson to learn. We hope it was helpful and we will be back for some more dance tutorials, dance video or dance shoe tips.